Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see a question based on section of solids, section of a right circular cone. Question is, a right circular cone of 60 mm base diameter and 60 mm height is resting on its base on ground. It is cut by a vertical plane inclined at 40 degrees to VP. The plane being at minimum distance of 15 mm from the axis of the cone. Draw the sectional elevation. Also project the true shape of section. Assume that the section is in front of the axis. Now first you draw the reference line. Since the object is a right circular cone, the top view of the cone will be a circle. So here you mark a circle of radius 30 mm. Now before drawing this diagram, you need some space here, so just below this right side. So draw the diagram accordingly. You need only height to mark the object here, that is 60 mm here. So accordingly you want to draw this reference line. You need some space on the right side below. So first you draw the reference line, draw the circle of radius 30 mm, then mark the radius 30, then draw the vertical and horizontal diameters. Then also you want to draw lines at 45 degrees from this horizontal diameter, 45 degrees from here and 45 degrees from here. So draw those lines. In that way you can divide the circle into 8 divisions. That is, each angle is 45 degrees. Always remember that this line should be parallel to the reference line. Now name those points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and apex as O. Now project all these points to the reference line. You use thin lines to represent this these lines, and also only dark line. You have to use dark line to represent this circle. Name these points accordingly. This is A dash, this point is B dash and H dash, this point is C dash and G dash, this point is D dash and F dash, and this point is E dash. Now since the height of the object is 60 mm, so from here draw the axis of length 60 mm. Use a chain line to represent the axis. Now connect all those points to this apex O dash. Only you want to use dark lines to represent the outermost triangle. All these slant lines should be thin line. Only those outermost triangle should be dark. These are imaginary lines. There are no such lines on the circular cone. So these lines are imaginary. So you want to use thin lines to represent these lines. These cross lines also. Now it is given that the section plane is a vertical plane inclined at 45 degrees to the vertical plane. So since it's a vertical section plane, that means the section plane will be perpendicular to horizontal plane. That means you want to section the front view of the top view of the diagram here. Okay, so you want to section here. Now it is given that the shortest distance from the section from the axis of the section plane is 15 mm. So from here you mark 15 mm, a circle of radius 15 mm like this. Use a thin line to represent that circle. Do the dimension as R15. So here it is 15 mm radius here. Now it is given that the section plane is a vertical section plane, so you want to section here. Now you want to draw a line at 40 degrees tangent to this line. You draw a line at 40 degrees like this, tangent to this line. Use a chain line to represent that section plane. Now name those points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 is on the base circle, 2 is on the line OC, 3 is on the line OD, 4 is on the line OE and 5 is on the base circle. Now project all those lines to the corresponding lines here. That is, 1 is on the base circle, so project 1 to the base line. 2 you cannot directly project because 2 is on the line OC and OC is perpendicular. You cannot project 2 directly like this. Now the point 3 is on the line OD, project 3 to the line OD. This is O dash D dash, and 4 is on the line OE, so project the point 4 to the line O dash E dash, because 4 is on the line OE, so project the point 4 to the line O dash E dash. 5 is on the base circle, so project 5 to the base line. 2 is here, 2 is on the line OC. Since OC is perpendicular, O dash C dash also is perpendicular, so you cannot project 2 directly to that line O dash C dash. Now to project, now name those points as 1 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. This is 5 dash on the line, baseline. Now to project the point is 2, you draw you draw an arc of radius O2. This is 2, so O2 OA center and O2 as radius, draw an arc like this to the line OA, then project that to this extreme generator like this, O dash A dash, then project that to this baseline, so you'll get 2 dash. So name that point as 2 dash. Now you use a smooth curve to connect all those points like this. This is a freehand curve, a smooth curve, not a straight line, because it's a cone. You want to use a smooth freehand curve to draw that, not straight line. Here it would be a curve like this. Now you want to hatch that line at 45 degrees like this. Now to get the true shape of this object, from here you mark a line parallel to this line like this. Parallel to this line, you draw a line parallel like this. Keep some 2 or 3 centimeter, 3 or 4 centimeter away from here. It should be 2 or 3 centimeter away from this line. Draw a line like this. Now through all these points 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you draw perpendicular lines. You draw lines perpendicular to this section plane, perpendicular lines like this, and you draw this line. Now to get the point 1, the 1 is on the baseline itself, so 1 you mark here. 2 distance from here to 2 dash, distance from here to 2 dash, this distance you mark from here to 2 dash. Then distance from here to 3 dash, this distance you mark corresponding to here to 3 dash. Distance from here to 4 dash, that distance you mark here to 4 dash, and 5 dash is on the line, so 5 dash you will get here. Now use a smooth curve to connect that. Now erase the unwanted lines inside that and hatch that like this. You have to hatch that at 45 degrees to this section plane. This is section plane, 45 degrees to that you want to section. This is how you draw the sectional top view and sectional front view and the true shape of a section of a cone. Hope you understood this diagram. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.